Hey guys, I'm Jane, and this is Jane Filipino Adventurer, where I share pieces of my life dancing, singing, traveling, cooking, and all fun moments in between. If you love good energy, real stories, and simple joy, you're in the right place. Let's get started! Hey guys, today it's just me and kids. We're spending the day at Gap Farming Resort here in Maad, Davao City. And look at this. Sobrang laki na nag-welcome sa amin. This is one of the most iconic spots here, a huge statue of a farmer riding a caravel, welcoming every visitor right at the entrance. GAP farm has actually been around since the 1970s, and it's known as one of Davao go-to spots for educational tours and field trips. Kaya gusto ko dalhin ng mga anak ko para naman ma-experience nila. They might not find this interesting, but please, they know that one of those days become famous also. At ito yung pinaka masayang araw ng mga bata na pumunta sila dito way back in my time. Sobrang saya namin. Tsaka mas maganda pumunta kapag season ng fruits kasi marami talagang mga prutas na nakatanim dyan. Nag-i-enjoy kaming manguha ng fruits before. And then, so yung gagawin namin today is looking around, explore the ground, tingnan yung mga statue and landmarks nila. Tapos after lang naman kami sa pool. So merong actually man-made cave pero hindi na kami pumasok. Kasi medyo makulimlim din ng araw na yun. And then, ang ganda talaga dito, super green, parang nasa bundok ka, malayo sa ingay ng city. And simple lang today, walk around, take some picture with the statues and good swim with kids. So minsan, yun lang naman talaga ang kailangan para sa isang masayang bonding day. And I hope that you like it. And see you sa next adventure.
Tribal culture. Oh, naik pared diri ang kanding. Og horse. Duck, na duck. May duck diri.